In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound issues on your Koorui monitor, fast and easy. If your monitor isn't playing audio, these simple steps will help get the sound back. First, check your monitor's volume settings. Use the buttons on your Koorui monitor to open the on-screen menu and make sure the volume isn't muted or set too low. Next, verify the audio source. If you're using HDMI or DisplayPort, make sure your computer's sound output is set to the monitor. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, then Playback, and choose your Koorui monitor as the default device. If you're using an external speaker or headphones connected to the monitor, check those devices to ensure they're powered on and connected properly. Also, update your audio drivers on your computer. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause sound problems. Try unplugging and reconnecting your monitor's cables to make sure everything is securely connected. If your Koorui monitor has built-in speakers but still no sound, test the monitor with another device to rule out hardware issues. If these steps don't fix the problem, the audio hardware might be faulty, and you may need to contact Koorui support or a technician. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech fixes.